nag-promise mi ninyo og part 2.
And if you didn't notice, we're wearing the same clothes. Because same day.
But if you didn't watch the first one, go watch the first because
yeah, Victoria reacts.
Ako nag-react. So explain the video kung wala silang tanaw. So,
oh yes. So normally mag-send mi og mga TikToks and Reels and lingaw kayo mi mag-send og stuff ingana. So we decided for 1 week dili mi mag-send og TikTok or Reels to each other and we will save it for a video. So this time I will react because last time Victoria did.
Yeah, all right. You ready? Let's go.
I'm excited.
Wait, I want to hold. Alright, ready? The first and one and only.
First and one and only. No, you have 9.
No, you have 9.
Yeah, and I just... honey, are you okay? Are you okay? No? Okay. You can't cry because I'm gonna cry, okay? We need to breathe, okay? 1.
We need to breathe.
Out. 2. Somebody call 911.
Okay,
yeah,
mommy.
and, oh, careful. No, brush it off. You're fine. You're fine. No, tears? Really? Yeah, can you walk? Okay, then I'm not coming over there. Anyway.
Oh, that's funny.
You like that? Okay.
Yeah, ako jud ang first mom is like, ala, natagag niya. Are you okay? Someone call 911.
Dire, 911 kay ang emergency number.
Oh.
Sa Philippines. Di. Wait, ang
Ay,
giro.
dingi mo giro. Ganahan ni mo.
Okay.
Ayaw, ayaw.
Ipasulod kay, sige siya mag-scratch sa door, promise.
Come here, Batis.
Hello?
Come here.
Ka-cute na siya Christmas
Wait,
clothes.
excuse you.
Wait, buttons, come here.
Button.
Show, uy! Show Christmas clothes ni mo, oh.
Oh,
Ka-cute! Kaya ay buttons.
Hi, buttons.
Oh,
You're so
cute.
cute.
Okay, go. Go. Wait, ato dito, lay down. Alright, mag-laugh jud ka, ani ha?
Pregnant? Arsa?
Ayaw pagbasa.
Yes, mom. I'm sorry po.
People like to touch a pregnant woman's belly or a woman they think is pregnant. They touch her belly. You ever do that? Walk up to a woman you think is pregnant, be like, hey, what are you having? She's like, I don't know, a burrito about an hour? Why are you touching my stomach? Then people try to make you feel better, right, about that. They always make you think that they got to make you feel better about how much you're eating, because when people go out with me now, they watch everything that I eat. They feel like they gotta tell me stuff like, it's okay, you're eating for 2. I'm like, I was eating like this before I was pregnant.
Ay, Loy.
Funny.
Yeah, that's
alright.
That's
Number
a good
3.
one. I rate that one, you know, like a
Oh, wait,
5.
unta the great ani. Okay. Kani jud akong
Okay.
like favorite.
So I recently found this little spidey web that vibes outside of my car. Hi, friend. Even though you can't see it great, it's there. And I have this underlying fear that one day I'm going to be pulling up to Starbucks and I'm going to be like, hi, could I please get... And then little Spidey Man's going to be like, hey, let me in here. I'm just going to come hang out with you.
Ang sakit yun niya. That's good. That's good.
Wait, you're not supposed to be a part of the video. Go away.
Ganahan siya mag-cuddle with me. Oh,
Alright,
so
number
sweet.
4.
If you expect to get any presents for Christmas this year, we're gonna have to donate some things to clear some room. What about this thing?
That's my special one.
Your special one. I've literally never seen you play with this.
Cause I didn't know where.
Oh, that's so cute. That's my special one. Why haven't you played with it? Because I didn't know where it was. Murag bata jud na. Grabe.
Yeah, cute kaya na to, yeah. Ang ilong ba?
Chanila.
Into my mom's room. Abin na ako sa iyang own room. Yan ako, wow, grabe.
Di ba? Chanilas kilabay sa mama.
Good.
0 out of 10. Kani, did you think kana funny?
I should warn you of the monster known as vacuum. It can eat and yell at the same time. And I've seen it eat everything. Seriously, like a paperclip and 2 cat toys. Didn't even flinch. To hide from vacuum, you may use the curtains of invisibility.
Cute kayo, no?
Aw, that's cute.
Grabe ka cute ba?
I like that one's like a 6.
6 out of 10.
Yeah,
Go.
6 out of 10.
Kani, ako, ani, dili ikaw.
At first, I was like, ah! But now that I've had time to absorb it, it's all working out. I'm fine.
I'm fine.
Really? Absolutely. I'm fine. I don't know why it's coming out all loud and squeaky, because really, I'm fine.
Ako dyan na, grabe, when I have kids, mag-decorate sila sa tray, perfectionist kay ko. Bisag ako ba na, murag mag-move ko siyang mga ornaments kay ganan ko perfect place.
Ako kay dili.
Ako dyan na.
3 ornaments
I'm
everywhere.
I'm fine! Okay, next.
Are you sure?
No. Okay, funny
What's a video that lives in your head rent free?
And release all of those sounds that are trapped in
Are you ready? It's the last,
Last one.
Wow!
That's so dumb.
Kagets ka! Again. Wow!
Viral ah. Why?
Grabe man ka-true ka! Kinanglan ang well mo breathe. So magsaka ang well. So magsaka ang well ba? Nga mag-inhale, exhale. Nga, ang mga well watchers ba like, wow. Like kung magtanaw ka na ako ba niya, maganan ko. Wow. Ana ba? It's funny. Laugh. Nobody thought that was funny but me.
Yeah. I guess.
Akong gi-show sa akong mama, papa, bana. Ba't sila nagkatawa? Ako ra. Sorry. Nagkatawa man ka.
Again.
No.
Alright! Kana lang ang kuan TikToks.
Kadungog mo,
Wala siya Christmas.
I'm a Christmas tree.
She's a Christmas tree!
Awa na, galing ko Christmas tree sa akong shirt.
Mine shirt says hot cocoa, snowman,
Snowman.
and
Can you read my shirt?
no. Salamat sa pagtanaw.
Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.
Yes! And if wala mo nang follow na mo sa TikTok, the link is in the description. Everywhere but here. No, it's here. Go, follow us.
Down. Oh, go follow us on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook.
Everywhere, basta. There's a social
Dili
media.
everywhere, eh? What the Snapchat? What the...
Oo. What ay Snapchat?
Or Twitter.
Oo, Twitter.
Twitter fly. Alright, wala na.
Salamat sa pagtanaw. Yeah.
Bye! Pogi! Again. Bye!
Bye! Pogi!
Pogi.